Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to show you some dies I got in the mail from Hannah at KSCraft. I am guest designing for Hannah this month. I'm so excited. There are tons of ice cream and fruit themed and summery kind of dies in this release, so I was so happy when she asked me to design again. I asked her to send me whatever she wanted to showcase, and I think she sent me the whole release, so thank you so much, Hannah. I got started working on a couple of the die sets last night, so I will show you those at the end, the projects that I already made. But right now I just want to go through all the dies in the release, and I will link them all down below as well in the description box in case you want to go ahead and order them from Ally. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon quite yet, but I always link to the Ally site. Okay, so let's get started. The first die set is called the Fruit Shadow Words, and I labeled these myself. I print them out on Avery labels and just put them on the bags, but these bags come with the die set, so that's so nice. You don't have to repackage them. But these are words in a really pretty script font, and I wrote down the words. They are strawberry, fruity, sweet, lemon, cherry, and fresh. So perfect for summery projects, perfect for a lot of the die sets that are in this release as well. So really nice set to have. This next one is called the Snow Cone Shaker, and it makes a really cute little snow cone with stitched accents. It comes with the word snow cone. I'm not going to take them all out of the packages right now, but if you want to see examples, just follow the product links, and Hannah has beautiful examples on the website. And of course, I'll come back when I do project shares as well. So Snow Cone Shaker, and it's kind of tiny. Let's see. Let me measure the snow cone itself just to give you an idea. It's about 2 3/4, a little bit more than that from top to bottom. Perfect for embellishments, for cards, you know, that sort of thing. Put on tags, love it. And the next one we have is a watermelon shaker, and it seems to be about the same size. So I love watermelons this year, probably because of that Graphic 45 Sunshine on My Mind collection that I got. It's full of watermelons, and it's just really fun. Actually, one of the projects I'm going to show you today is watermelon themed too. But anyway, this is a watermelon shaker. So it comes with pieces, of course, to make it into a shaker or not. It comes with little seeds, and I'm not sure what those circles are. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, you know what I think that is? I think Hannah said that you can make this into a piece of pizza too if you wanted to. So those could be like pepperonis. So this is, it's so nice and versatile. It's called watermelon shaker, but you can make it into a slice of pizza too. So there's that. Next we have the ice cream sundae shaker, and this makes like a big bowl. If you see that stitch detail, sorry, let me try and shake this down. I don't know if I could do it, but there's a bowl back here that's about this big, and it's stitched, and then it has the layering piece as well, and then ice cream layering pieces, ice cream scoops, and then toppings. So this will be fun to make into a shaker. I could see putting like faux sprinkles in there. That'll be a really cute accent. So there's that one. Next we have the grape shaker, and this makes like a bunch of grapes. Well, you know, all together, but a bunch. And then it has leaves on the top too, layering pieces to turn it into a shaker. It looks like leaf layering pieces as well. So that's super cute. I don't think I've ever seen a grape shaker before. So I love all sorts of fruit projects. This is so up my alley. This is the Booth Summer Add-on. And Hannah did send me another one of these. This is the Kissing Booth. This is the original die set that this Booth Summer Add-on is designed to go with. So if you go to the product page for this one, it does have this on the page as well. You can click on if you want to order this in case you don't have it already. This makes the Kissing Booth, which came out, I think, either 2023 or 2022. I'm not sure, but this is a great set to have. So anyway, it comes with the add-on. Instead of kisses, you could put the word fruit or flowers or fresh, and it comes with a new banner, a cute little basket there to put strawberries in. It comes with like strawberry little embellishments you can make, the 25 cents. So really cute to have. If you have that kissing booth, you could just add on a, or turn it into a summer version. So there's that. Next we have the fruit straw toppers, and these look so cute on the product page. I'm looking forward to making these, and it looks like there's watermelons and pineapples, lemons, pears, strawberries. Super cute. Oh, love that. I'll be making that for sure. Hold on one second. Let me get some coffee. And next we have the ice cream shadow words, and these are a little bit different font than the other words that I showed you, but these come with the words ice cream, sweet, treat, creamery, yum with an exclamation point, and frozen. So this is more the typical font from KSCraft, really pretty script. Everything cuts out together, probably not. Are there any that have dots on them? I don't think so. So yeah, you just have to cut them out once and then cut out the shadow if you want to use the shadow, and this will go great on a lot of these projects. Next we have the ice cream truck, and this looks so cute on the website too. So it makes a cute little truck with all the different layering pieces. There's a door there with stitch details, says ice cream, a banner, wheel details. What else is in there? Let me see. I wanted to see what this is. And these are layering pieces for like the awning on the truck. So, that'll be so cute to make. I just can't wait. Can't wait to get started on more of these. I told you I already did a few of them, but yeah, can't wait for all of them. This one is the fruit garlands. So this comes with several different kind of fruits. I do have to open this so I could tell you what fruits are in here. And yeah, you turn them into a garland. So there's cherries with the layering pieces. So that's so nice. You know, you cut this part out of like, I don't know, green or something, maybe black or brown, and then cut it out of red or pink and then layer those on top. And how cute would that look, right? Or whatever color you want, just an idea. Here's a citrus slice one for oranges, limes, grapefruits, lemons. Here's a strawberry one with all the layering pieces, and then bananas. So this is so cute. There's a paper I was using. I'll show you in a second. It's a lawn fawn paper that has fruits that I use some of the projects that I used for some of the projects that I made, and there's a banana paper, so that would go perfectly with that. So again, that's the fruit garlands. And next we have the 3D Seashell gift box, and this handle looks so pretty on Hannah's video. It's like a pearl handle, so how cute is that? So you can use that for this Seashell gift box, use it for other handbag projects, so that's really cute to have. Next we have the pocket folio, so this is really neat. I saw some examples on the website, so yeah, it makes like pockets, and you can fold it up, present your ephemera in there. It'd be fun to make like for a Father's Day gift and put a gift card in there or any other kind of gift. You know, I'm just thinking Father's Day because that's coming up. So a pocket folio would be great to put in traveler's notebooks or journals, junk journals, that kind of thing where you could put lots of, you know, different things inside the different pockets that you make. So that'll be fun to make. Next we have the 3D beach bag, and this is really, really cute. The circle makes the handle. This is the beach bag itself, and there's the like main handle piece there, and this is a layering piece as well. There's the bottom, and then there's also words that say, I'm not sure, beach days and something else. But yeah, really, really cute. If you look on the website, and I've seen other examples that other design team members have made, and yeah, just super cute. Great way to present summary kind of gifts in there. Next, this one is huge. This is called the Ice Cream Parlor Mini Album. And if you could see how big my hand, it's just huge, right? So it looks kind of like the ice cream truck with the awning, but it's got like instead of a truck detail, it has the, you know, storefront kind of detail. And I love this cute little chair here. Isn't that adorable? So yeah, lots of different ways to create this. There's even this page here for your binder rings if you do want to make it into a mini album. And I think it's so nice and big that it'll make a perfect like birthday or summer mini album with lots of room for pictures, or even if you want to, you know, get that pocket folio die set and you could put some pockets in there. I think that would be a great idea. I'll probably try and put those together that way. Next we had the coconut mini album, and this makes like a whole coconut with, this is like the opening of the coconut, so you could put a straw in there with an umbrella on it. It's got like tropical flowers and leaves, so it's like a coconut drink. So that would be really fun to make your cover like that, and the inside, you know, you have all that space to put in pictures and whatever else you want to do. And even the straw has little bendy detail on it, so that's so nice and thoughtful, I think, to, you know, put small details like that. So yeah, really, really cute. Next we have the two that I made already, the ice cream bag topper and the fruity bag topper. I love bag toppers. I'd love to have them on hand, so when I'm sending out some happy mail, they're ready to go. So the ice cream one looks like this. They're very similar, so I wanted to show you them together. And this one is the fruity one. The fruity one says Tutti, and then it has a separate word fruity. And this one, the ice cream one, has ice cream and then the word Sundae. So it's so easy to make. You just cut the main piece out once and then you fold it there where the handles meet. And then you can layer up your words. Same for the Tutti Frutti, same thing. And then it has a layering piece for the handle as well. And yeah, just decorate it the way you want. So let me show you the ones that I made. Let me just move these over. Okay, so let's start with the ice cream one. So this is the first one I made that says Ice Cream Sundae. The paper pad I used for this, hold on, is this one from Joann's from Park Lane. This is called Dessert First. I got this a while ago, but I'm pretty sure they still have it. But it's got lots of ice cream themed papers, especially like this one that has ice cream cone. Like the whole paper looks like that, and there's a darker one too. So I used that ice cream cone piece for the background, which, you know, you just cut it out once, like I said, and then just fold it at the top, and you have your bag topper. And then I cut out ice cream twice and just kind of staggered them a little bit, just to, you know, give it a little bit more weight there, visual weight. The word Sundae I cut out twice also out of gold glitter paper and then this purple paper, and I cut it out of foam board too. Actually, no, that's not foam board, that's actual foam, just to elevate it a little bit. And I love the stitch detail that goes around the words. I think that looks so cute. I added that gold layering piece there. And then I made a couple of they're ice cream cones. They're not ice cream sundaes, but I thought they were, you know, close enough. And those come from one of the other die sets. Let me see. In case you wanted to see, I think it was the ice cream truck. Yeah, the ice cream truck has cute little ice creams that you can make. You can see I have some paper still in that one. But yeah, that's what I did, and it has layering pieces, so I used some white iridescent paper for that, and then I just added some gel pen dots to make it look like sprinkles, and I think that looks so, so cute. I didn't add anything on the back. I don't usually do that for bag toppers, but I made that one, and let me measure this. I'll show you another one I made as well. That's about 5 inches across and about almost 2 3/4 up and down. So really cute, right? And then the other one I made looks very similar, but just different papers. Isn't that cute? This paper pad has an ice cream sundae paper, so I thought that was perfect for this bag topper. I used that for the background, and I used that like chocolate colored ice cream cone paper for the background, and just some like bright red AC cardstock for the word ice cream. On Sundae, I used some white glitter paper, and actually that's some white foam too, and then the same brown paper for the background. And I glued on some little cabochons that I think look so cute there, just cute little clouds with purple hearts that go perfectly. And I did use a layering piece as well. So how cute is that, right? Oh my gosh, I love these. And let me show you the Tutti Frutti ones. Here's the watermelon one I was telling you about. I love how this came out. This paper, it is from, did I bring that over? Yes. This is the paper I was telling you about earlier from Lawn Fawn, the fruit salad collection, and that's the banana paper I mentioned before. But I used the watermelon paper for this project and just used coordinating papers for the words Tutti and Fruity. And I had this cabochon. This comes from a Joann's pack from Place and Time. I've had this in my stash for a little while, but these are epoxy stickers, and it came out in 2020, I think. Yeah. So yeah, really cute, right? I used some enamel dots there just to kind of anchor the bottom of the handle, and I think it looks so, so cute, which I've said a gazillion times, but I just love them. All right, this one measures about 4 3/4 side to side, and top to bottom it's about the same, about 2 3/4. Same as the other one. So there's that. You can see like how similar they look, same kind of style, but you know, different sentiments on them. And I made a lemon version of the Tutti Frutti one as well. Same paper pad, the Lawn Fawn one for the background, and just coordinating papers. I actually tripled these papers for Tutti. I used yellow and white, and I didn't think there was enough contrast, so I added that like aqua paper back there too. And I think that just adds enough contrast so you could see the word clearly. Fruity, of course, I used that same aqua paper for the background, and I glued on some big lemon slices at the bottom of the handle. So yeah, now these are all ready to go for summer goodies, and you know, you could put whatever you want in there, anything that's kind of summery themed or fruity themed. If you're doing swaps this summer, I think this would be perfect. They come together really quick and they're fun to make. So those are my projects, just a few right now. I wanted to show you all the dies that I got. I just got them, so you know, I wanted to come on and make sure I showed them right away. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be back soon with more projects for this die set as well as other crafty videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.